Hi Salem family, my name is Joy Alford and I am the registrar at Salem High School. I would like to share with you our records request, enrollment, and withdrawal processes that we have in place at this time. Let's begin with records request. We would like all of our current students to know that you can access copies of your transcripts, your grade reports, your schedules, and the like using the Infinite Campus student and parent portals. For all other concerns, please submit a records request using the form indicated to the right of the screen. The link is listed at the bottom of the page. Please be aware, students, that you must be 18 years of age or older to complete such a records request. But if you do need other items that are not available to you through the Infinite Campus student and parent portals, please feel free to complete this form and just list the specific information such as verification of enrollment that you would need. We provide 3 ways to get this information to you: U.S. mail, email, or pick it up in person. You will set up an appointment to pick the information up in person. Please note that we do not email sensitive information such as Social Security numbers. We are not allowed to do so by Rockdale County to protect your information. Our second process is the enrollment process. All Rockdale County students are enrolled at a central location, and at this time, all such enrollments are being completed online. We did want to share with you the documents that you would need to complete the student's enrollment, and this is for new and returning students to Rockdale County public school systems. First and foremost, you must provide proof of residency. The registration process cannot begin without this. This includes a current signed lease or current mortgage statement or an affidavit of legal residence in the county. You must also provide a copy of the student's birth certificate showing the registering parent's name or court-ordered proof of custody and guardianship paperwork if you are not the birth parent. A student's Social Security card or a waiver, as well as 2 health forms that can be obtained at your doctor's office or through the Rockdale County Health Department. One is a certificate of immunization, and the second is a certificate of ear, eye, and dental. We need a photo ID of the parent, which could include a driver's license or passport, as well as certified copies from your child's school for transcript and discipline records. In addition, if your student has or requires special education needs, please provide a copy of your student's IEP or 504 plan. Now, when you start the enrollment process, you will actually go online to do this process, as I shared earlier, and the website listed at the bottom of this screen has most, if not all, of the information that you will need. When you click that link, it will take you to the Rockdale County Public School System's online registration page. And in the middle of the page, you will see an orange and green button that says OLR, as indicated on this screen, online registration. If you need further assistance, you can reach out to our central registration staff at register@rockdale.k12.ga.us. And the web page also contains many of the answers to the questions that you might have regarding the enrollment process. And we at Salem are here to help you as well. You can reach out to us as well. Our withdrawal process. Please note that all withdrawals must be completed by the enrolling parent. That is crucial, and that is state law. We also want you to know that during this time, there is no need to do a withdrawal if your student is remaining in the Rockdale County public school system. If your student is only changing schools due to an address change, then you can submit the information listed on this screen to register at rockdale.k12.ga.us. That includes your old and new addresses, a copy of the signed lease or mortgage statement, and proof of residency. So if you submit that to central registration along with your student's name and your name as the parent, then what will happen is the central registration will reach out to your student's old school and your new school and let them know that there has been an address change, and you will be updated in the system. Now, if your student is leaving Salem High School, we ask that you complete the following withdrawal form that is located online. It is a two-part process, which will include an opportunity for you to complete the form as well as make an appointment to return all materials to Salem. This includes the student's laptop, bag, or charger, any library materials they have out, textbooks, uniforms such as ROTC, band instruments, or the like. If your student has an outstanding fine or fee, then you can pay the fee through PayPal. All fees must be paid through PayPal. We're not taking cash at this moment or checks. And you can also check for any outstanding fines or fees by clicking the link listed at the bottom of this page. Well, Salem family, that's the end of my presentation. But if at any point you have any questions, we want you to feel very free and confident about reaching out to one of us at Salem. You can call myself, the registrar, Joy Alford, or reach out to our record secretary, Ms. Millicent Perry. The Salem office number is 770-929-0176, and our direct fax number for records is 770-483-6164. We do ask that if you are requesting special education records, that you contact one of the numbers listed below, and that will get you our special ed department, and they will get you all of the information that you need regarding your student's IEP. So once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we hope that you have a great year and that you stay safe.